How can you share screen on WhatsApp video call? Open your mobile phone. Go to your WhatsApp account. Here you can see your chat list. Select the contact you want. Click on the call option. Select video call. You can see the call on both mobiles. Pick up the call. At the bottom of call, you can see small arrow button. Tap on that button. It is screen sharing button. Screen sharing is on now. You can see your screen sharing is on, and the other device user can see your screen. If you want to end the screen sharing option, just go to your video call. Here is the option showing stop sharing. Tap on that option. Screen sharing is off now. These are the simple steps you can do to share your screen on WhatsApp video call. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.